You're thinking about getting a Chime account, right? Maybe you've heard the buzz, maybe you're struggling with traditional banks, or maybe you just want something different. But one question keeps popping up. Does Chime approve everyone? Let's dive in. Now, the short answer isn't as straightforward as you might hope. It's not a simple yes or no. Chime, like any financial institution, has its criteria. It's designed to protect both the customer and the company. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why this question even matters. Why is everyone so obsessed with approval rates? Well, traditional banks can be a real pain. Long lines, hidden fees, and the constant worry about getting declined can be a major stressor. Chime, on the other hand, has positioned itself as a more accessible, customer-friendly option. That's why people are so eager to know if they'll make the cut. So, what exactly is Chime looking for? Well, it's not a crystal ball, but we can make some educated guesses. First and foremost, you'll need a solid income source. Direct deposits are usually a big plus. This shows Chime that you have a steady flow of money coming in, which is pretty important for any financial institution. Next up is your banking history. While Chime doesn't have the same strict requirements as traditional banks, a history of responsible financial behavior definitely helps. Overdrafts, bounced checks, and other red flags might raise some eyebrows. Now, let's talk about credit scores. Surprise, surprise, Chime doesn't require a perfect score. In fact, it's one of the reasons people love them. However, a good credit score can't hurt. It shows financial responsibility and can open doors to additional features and benefits. But here's the thing, even if you check all the boxes, there's no guarantee of approval. Chime, like any business, has to manage risk. Sometimes, factors beyond your control can influence the decision. It's frustrating, but it's the reality. So, what should you do if you get rejected? Don't panic. First, check your application. Maybe there was a small error. If everything looks good, take a deep breath. Rejection is part of life, and it doesn't define you. Explore other options. There are plenty of other fintech companies out there that might be a better fit. And remember, building good credit takes time. If you're struggling, there are resources available to help you improve your score. It might not happen overnight, but it's definitely achievable. To sum it up, does Chime approve everyone? It's complicated. While they're more accessible than traditional banks, they still have standards. Focus on building a solid financial foundation, and you'll increase your chances of approval. But even if you get turned down, don't give up. There are other options, and there's always room for improvement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.